We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can change and customize the modes or user profiles on this DJI RSC 2 gimbal. So to start, you will need to take your phone, then launch the run-in application. Make sure that your gimbal is connected to your phone, of course. Here, open the user profile, and there are three modes you can customize: M1, M2, and M3 respectively. Here you can change which follow mode each of those user profiles will have. You can also change the follow speed, pan, tilt, and roll for all of those modes. You can change the deadband preferences, change whether the push mode will be enabled or disabled in each of those respective modes, and just overall change the camera position in here if necessary, change the motions, endpoints, speed, everything. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.